Alright, so my old physics teacher told me 95% of electrical faults is to do with connections. Lack of electricity going through, could be rusty parts, wear and tear, etc. So this heating mirror I put on ages ago was like a not a factory default, not OEM, and doesn't heat up. It's okay though, works well. So I'm just going to check the contacts, see if there's any electricity going to it, and clean it out. Right, so I've moved it from the switches internally to bring it outwards. I think it comes off from here. I think it's already starting to come out. Simple as that. Not in very well at all. It's just held on by these few clips here. So simply put, that one's not even on. It's got no chance. So it doesn't really matter which way. I'll just double down, one top, bottom, one bottom. So I'm going to run a circuit tester across these two. What I mean by circuit tester, just put on continuity on the multimeter, is usually that setting there. So that'll be 200 ohms or less, and then it will kick off a sounder. Okay. Yep, simple circuit, that's fine. I'm going to clean the contacts, it seems a bit dirty. Switch the circuitry on. Really should turn on the engine just in case it doesn't turn on the circuitry. Check for voltage. Let's have a look. I don't know if I'll be able to do this holding this and holding that. I should try. I might just tell you and show you. Put these in and hold it. These look really rusty. Yeah, normal voltage. Good, good. Everything's good. So, simply put, I'm just going to spray some contact cleaner there and there, and try and get those connections in a bit better next time. Okay, and a bit of this in there. Found the electricity fairly easily, so no problem. Same to the mirror section, but I'll probably give it a little bit of a sandpaper. Just use some cloth to wipe down these terminals. Doesn't really matter which way. What matters is they sit in there well. Anyway, yeah, that's got it in there. That's it, that's sitting in there properly now. Not going to twist the cable anymore. Anyway, that's it really.